Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Myself Sunil Kumar Jaiswal, solution consultant for manufacturing at Capricorn Technologies Private Limited, and I would like to welcome you all Tech Tuesday video. So before going into session, allow me to introduce our organization. Capricorn is India's leading design and construction management technology solution provider for manufacturing, architecture, engineering, and construction. We are one of Autodesk's largest platinum partner and authorized training center. We have more than 300 dedicated team members, and Capricorn serves over 20,000 clients in manufacturing and related industries. So Capricorn has contributed significantly to the country adoption of computer-aided design for more than 3 decades. We offer the best solution, approaches, and practices to increase your productivity and lower project risk. So we are delighted to inform you that we have a global footprint to serve you with the best of our abilities. Capricorn Technology is now a part of Arcans Group. So today I am just going to present Fusion 360 Watts new feature. So today I will cover new Fusion bill of material and new replace fastener. So the moment you have been waiting for is here. As of this, update bill of material has arrived. So bill of material enables designer and mechanical engineers to easily explore multi-level product structure based on their design and share a link to the BOM with downstream consumer. Using Fusion team participation with BOM, you will be able to view component property by adjusting column visibility and position, cross select and highlight between the BOM and the design and see rolled up quantities of component instance. So the bill of material will be captured as the design evolve, enable users to roll back to a historical point in time to see how the BOM involved. Manage extension customer using the BOM capability will also be able to view the BOM in working state as well as the release state. So helping user get the right data at right time. So the replace fastener command offer the ability to substitute an existing standard part in a design with different type. For instance, a head bolt can be replaced with a socket head bolt. So the process of selecting desired geometry when placing a counter sunk fastener has been simplified. Now you have the option select the circular edges of the conical face during placement, and the productivity has been enhanced in the construction of fastener stack, now allowing for one-click placement of washer or nuts onto bolts. So the content has also been expanded. Over 1,000 standards part family have been added, encompassing 7 new ISO-based national standards. And we have added a 199 set screw, also known as grub screw, in accordance with various national standards, including ANSI, DIN, and ISO. So, which was one of the most frequently requested standard parts. So, you can see how to replace hex headboard can be replaced with a socket headboard. So just see. So you can see replace fastener window. Then just select which we want to replace it, and it will automatically replace. So for more video and update, do subscribe our channel Capricorn Technology Private Limited. Like and comment if you like the Tech Tuesday video. So we would be delighted to hear from you. Please reach out to us for any suggestion, query, or topic you would want to discuss. See you next week. Take care. Bye bye.